Hey guys, it's Ade. In the beginning, when businesses wanted to advertise their business, they would normally put up a signpost or get a billboard. And sometimes you could have a shout out on the radio or put an ad on the TV or the newspaper. But that was only for the big boys. This time around, with the social media platforms spreading like wildfire, small businesses like yours and mine can now take advantage of this platform to reach thousands and millions of people at a fraction of the cost you would have paid back in the days where TV was the go-to place for marketing. Today we're going to be looking at 7 of the reasons why I think you can use Facebook to scale your business. And without further ado, let's go to the computer screen and see what this platform has to offer. The first reasons why I think you need to consider Facebook in order to scale or market your business is the audience insight tool that the platform offers. With audience insight, you will need a Facebook account, a Facebook page, a business manager, and an ad manager. I'm using the audience insight tool right now. Everyone on Facebook. If your business is in the fitness niche, you can type in interest as fitness. Let's just say physical fitness for now. And as you can see, the structure of the data changes when you input an interest to show you the key demographics for that particular interest that you've typed in. 60% of that audience is women and 40% of them are men on the Facebook platform. You can also change the location here. Let's say your business is in the United Kingdom. It's going to tell you how many people on Facebook in the United Kingdom are interested in fitness and wellness. What's fascinating about this audience insight tool is the fact that you can drill deeper into the information on that particular interest. And that interest is always in connection with a particular business you're trying to launch. That means these allow you to gather a lot of information and a lot of data in order to create your page. And I'll show you here. Let's see, for the people interested in fitness and wellness in the United Kingdom, what page do they like the most? And what you're going to see here is a couple of pages that the people interested in fitness follow the most. So I'm not going to go into every single detail right now, but I just want to show you what Facebook offers you. So, and also you can look at the locations, the different cities, the top languages. So you can see where the locations are starting to grow and where the interest is highest and where the interest is lowest. So that when you start creating your ad, you can choose those locations where you are more likely to get the results faster. Or you can even break your ad down into different locations to see whether there's a better conversion in one location compared to the other. But let's move on. Activities. So it shows you on average how many pages they like, how often have they commented, how many ads have they clicked on. So on average, the audience you're interested in clicked on 31 ads. That's quite high compared to the average of people on Facebook, which is 19. This is very valuable information for anyone interested in the fitness industry or promoting a fitness and wellness product or service or training program, because you can see the level at which these people interact with ads. With the Facebook Audience Insight tool, you can do so much on Facebook. Most importantly, get an insight into the audience that you're interested in targeting. Now, the next option is that Facebook offer you, and why I think you should consider the platform, is the targeting option. Facebook allows you to target by demographics and by psychographics. Demographics meaning age, gender, marital status, and other demographical informations like the customer's location. The psychographic is all about their behavior, their interaction, and the way they interact with the Facebook platform. For example, let's check one of the ads and see what we have here. Let me go to my ads manager. In the audience section here, you could see that this ad I have right now was targeted to people living in Manchester, England, within the 25-mile radius as well. So it would circle that, as you can see, it would target people around that area for your ad. You can target people by what they're interested in and their behavior. And because Facebook has so much data point about every single person on Facebook, that means it could actually go out there and find people that have similar interest to what your business is offering. So you can laser focus on these people. And that's why it's so important to use this platform, because not many platforms offer you this option to be able to drill down to the actual people that you're looking for in order to promote your business. So if we click into that, one of the behaviors that a lot of dropshippers or marketers always target is engaged shopper. So engaged shopper is a behavior, and it's people who have clicked on the call to action button shop now in the past week. So these are mostly impulse buyers, the people that are likely to kind of see something, they like it, they buy it. And when you're advertising your business, you can straight away target those people that are most likely to convert and take action. So that's the first reason why I think you should consider Facebook to promote your business. The audience insight and laser targeting option that the platform offers. Leveraging the power of saved audience, custom audience, and lookalike audience. In future videos, we're going to distinguish between those three types of audiences. But right now, what I want to show you is the fundamental difference and benefit that these audiences offer. For a saved audience, it's pretty much what I've been showing you now about the audience that I've saved. But when you look at the audience option at the top here, you can also type in a custom audience or a lookalike audience. Custom audiences, as the word says, is customized to you and to your business. It could be a list that you downloaded from your website of people that bought before on your website. It could be a list of customers that have come to your store to buy something, or it could be a list of people that have watched a video on your page over the last couple of days. Or it could be people that have visited your website over the last couple of days, months, or even years, depending on how far you want that data to go. For example, if I have 100 customers, I can upload the emails, the name, the address of those customers to Facebook and tell Facebook, I want you to target these people with an ad on Facebook, so you can use that custom audience. Now, the powerful tool that could let you leverage the custom audience even further is the lookalike audience. So you can take a custom audience and say, hey Facebook, I got this custom audience, but generate a lookalike audience for me that look like this custom audience, who are people that have already taken action or bought something on my website. Which means you can then now use the power of Facebook to find every single person, not every single person precisely, but a sizable amount of people that are very similar to that custom audience on Facebook. Now, what this gives you the option is, if you have already identified the customers that are most likely to buy from you, you can then use Facebook to find more of this type of people and target them. That's one of the power that Facebook offers you. The third reason is the fact that Facebook is cheaper and cost effective. Right now, if you look at this ad we're currently working with, it's I try to go lower. It's not letting me go lower than 0.91 cents. But if I change it to 50 cents, you would see what it's going to tell me. It's going to tell me that your budget must be at least 0.91, and 0.91 is like $1 a day, which means if you don't have that much money to promote your business, you can spend as little as $1 a day, which is equivalent to $30 a month, just to promote your business to reach people. And this cost effectiveness is so amazing, because back in the days, if you had to use a video ad or a TV ad or a billboard ad or a newspaper ad, you would spend so much money just trying to reach people. But if on Facebook, you can spend $1 a day. The other reason is the integration with Instagram and other network that Facebook owns or are affiliated with. If we look at that option here, it's in placements. And when you've looked at your audience and you've selected all your options, then when you go into the placements, you can place your ad on Facebook, which is big enough on its own, or you could place it on Instagram or the audience network. The audience network, it's a wide network which involves different websites and different platforms that allow Facebook to display its ad, and marketplaces as well. So these networks also offer a lot of exposure if you're trying to promote your brand, and also for Messenger. So you could actually put your ad inside the Messenger, so when someone opens the Messenger replying to a message, they could actually see your ads in there. And this network are so powerful. When you combine them together with the power that Facebook has, you now have a robust marketing platform that you can use then to target a wide audience of people. Now, another option is the powerful pixels for retargeting. A pixel is like a small tracker that Facebook generates for you. You can create your pixel in Facebook, and there's going to be a video on my channel that shows you how to create your pixel and add it to your Shopify website. And what the pixel does basically is it's like a tracker that records all the activity on your website by people that visit the website from Facebook or other platform. Why this pixel is so important is because it is collecting and gathering information that you can now later use to better retarget or promote your business to those people that have interacted with your business. A very good example of this is people that have bought something on my website over the last week or month have been tracked by my pixel, and Facebook record these people as conversion. So they have converted on my website. I can create a retargeting ad for Facebook to retarget people that have bought something on my website to tell them that thank you, or to upsell them for a particular product that might work well with the product that they've previously bought on the website. But not only that, it goes a step further, and I can tell Facebook, in the last 7 days, can you target people that have been to my website but didn't convert, and exclude people that have bought something? So the pixel is so powerful that it can allow you to do all that stuff and much more. And the fact that multiple sites now have a pixel installed, Facebook is now connecting all this information and connecting it together. Facebook, unlike any other platform, is it's not only easy to navigate and easy to use because we're all on Facebook and we pretty much understand how the platform works. They also have a learning program that they created for people that want to market their business. I'm just going to quickly go to that link and show you what we have. I'm currently logged in. A lot of things that I learned on Facebook was through practice, try and error, and spending thousands and thousands every month to test different idea. No matter what is given to you on this course, you will still need to test. Anything that relies on data requires testing. So for example, I can hypothesize that the green button will perform better than the red button. So I'm going to create two ads, one with the green button, one with the red button, and see which one converts the most in terms of call to action. I can also test the headline. You could do so much with the Facebook platform. And they have also given you the tool to learn more about the platform and how you can use it to your advantage. And finally, Facebook is a fantastic platform to research your audience and get feedback before throwing thousands into creating a product that nobody wants to buy. So what does this mean? This means that you could easily use Facebook to do a market research. I already showed you there, it costs you only $1 a day. So what you can do is go to a platform like Canva, design a logo, and craft your unique selling proposition. And you can even get someone on Fiverr.com to create a mock-up design of what your product or service will look like. Even it could be an ebook. Without even you writing the book, you can show some information and tell people like, hey guys, I'm creating this stuff. You can register your email if you want me to let you know when the book is ready or when the product is ready and when the service is ready. And what that means is you could collect data already before you even create your product. You can already generate a huge list without spending that much money on the actual product creation process. Now it's easier than ever before for you to create a business or to grow your business because of the Facebook platform and what it offers. And for only $1 a day, I think it's worth it. Why don't you try it out and see what you can get from this platform? In the next video, we're going to be looking at a step-by-step guide to create a business page on Facebook and how you can get your first few followers on the Facebook platform. Thank you very much for watching. I know this is a lengthy video, but I really want you to understand some of the things that Facebook offers you in order to grow your business. Thanks for watching and see you next time.